Hello and welcome to a mini tutorial on Google Jamboard. This is J. Mark Schwans, and I am a certified educator, a Google certified educator. I want to take just a few minutes with you to talk to you about one of my favorite new tools for student engagement. To work with Jamboard on the fly, you can launch from Google Meet. This is just a brand new integration. First, though, get to know the main features of Google Jamboard. Are you ready? Well, Google Jamboard was created, I think, in 2016, but it's taken some time for it to evolve and grow, and to the point that now it's now part of the Google Suite for Education. And recently, just recently, was integrated into Google Meet. And I just think that one of its greatest features is it supports synchronous and asynchronous academic engagement. Let's take a look. Look, here are some of the features. Primarily, you on the left will have a menu. You'll use these tools primarily to draw with a pen, marker, highlighter, or brush. With an eraser, you can, of course, undo or erase. You have the selection tool, a sticky note, and the shortcut there is Control Shift P. And the variety of colors there for the sticky notes. You can add images and shapes. You can draw different shapes. You can see them, some of the options there. There is a text box tool with different styles, but very simple, and a laser pointer. Students love to play with the laser pointer. Well, to start Jamboard, you can just go to the waffle in your Google Drive, your Google Apps for Education here, or you can just go directly to jamboard.google.com, or you can go from Google Meet. There's some top bar controls like undo, zoom, background, to clear the frame, to have a page selector. You can go to different pages, and even use Jamboard like a slideshow. There's open a new Jamboard and share controls. There's some more options here, like saving a frame as an image, although it's important to note this option may be disabled on school accounts. Depends on how the administrator has set those options. Let's take a look at using Google Jamboard on the fly. I created this board. I have assigned a few students to do a little cleanup to make it look better, and recent class that we have reminded each other of the rules for the Jamboard. You'll see that we're interacting with Jamboard, and I just thought this would be a good way to show, as we're working with it, they're peppering me with questions, and I could sense their excitement as we were sharing our feelings for the day with the little sticky notes. And then, since we're all working on it together, this group, they kept asking about how to do this, how to do that. And that was great engagement. The line tool here, I'll show you. So let me just pause that for now, and want to share a few resources with you, because I know you want to know more about Jamboard. If you're not already, find your way to edu.google.com. You can sign up for some of their training right even there. And then also, if you're on Twitter, use the @Google4EDU handle and follow them. Also, you can follow me on YouTube, and I will be sharing some more of these videos as I make them.